Alright guys, welcome back to the video, and today I have the Galaxy Note 10 with me here. You can see, so this one that I got here is the pre-order unit. You can see, which came with actually the Galaxy Buds and also the wireless battery pack. This is a wireless power bank basically. So we're doing a video on this separately, the power bank. However, for this guy, I already done a video on it, so you can check out the link somewhere over here. I'll put a link to where I done the unboxing and the review of the Galaxy Buds. It's actually in white, but this one I got with the Note 10 is in black. So yeah, so anyway, we are here actually for the Note 10 unboxing and hands-on. So you can see the color that I have here is the Aura Glow, and this is the Note 10 variant, which is the Exynos version. So let's take a look behind. So we get a closer look. So this is the 256GB model, one and only base model actually. 6.3-inch Full HD plus Dynamic AMOLED panel here. So not Quad HD on the Note 10. Interesting. We have 3 camera setup with which is the 12MP main camera, ultrawide camera is 16MP, and 3MP OS camera for the telephoto lens. And we have also the selfie camera, which is a dual pixel 10MP autofocus camera. And we have the ultrasonic film scanner with the S Pen with air actions. And RAM is 8GB, and with stereo speakers, and we have the earphones with 8kg. Super fast charging, fast wireless charging, and wireless power share, and IP68 water and dust resistant. So guys, let us cut this guy open. So the packaging pretty much similar to the one before the Note 10. Note 9. Let's cut this open. So I think there's only one seal. Right, done, and open it up. So this is the Aura Glow version, as I said. Let's open it. Let's take this out. Okay, so take a look at the Aura Glow version. You can see rainbow kind of effect, and there's certain light shining on it. Pretty nice color actually, and it's pretty light, seriously, and it's quite thin actually as well. So yeah, put this aside for now. See what else we get in the box. So we got this looks like a divider, and over here looks like it's the earbuds. No, sorry, this is this is the USB-C cable. Looks like, yeah, USB-C to USB-C. Nice. And we do get the travel adapter. So this is not the last year's fast charging. This time we get the super fast charging one here. So it should be rated at 25 watts here. Let me check. Yeah, so you get 5 volts at I don't know, you can see that. Let me see if the camera can focus. 5 volts at 3 amps and 9 volts at 2.7 amps. So yeah, pretty damn fast actually for a fast charger. And we have the USB Type-C port here. Nice. And we get the 8kg earphones. So this one is special, as you know, the Note 10 doesn't have a headphone jack anymore, so we'll be using the Type-C one over here. I'm gonna put it back. I think that's all we get in the box. I think there's some more things here. Let me check. Yeah, there we go. We have some more things here. So it's under the box. So I'm assuming this should be the cover and the steam ejector tool. Yeah, steam ejector tool is here. So let us take out the cover. There we go. Here is the cover. It's a TPU kind of casing here. So we do get the quick start guide as usual, basic information about the device. Got a TPU casing, so it's a flexible kind of casing, you can see. And lastly, I think we got some more leaflets here, which nobody else will read that much. And yeah, a bunch of leaflets that you won't read. Samsung Pay, regional log guide, warranty card, and other information as well. I forgot to mention, guys, the box also came with this toolkit to switch the S Pen. So yeah, it's a tool. If you want to switch your S Pen tips, you have it here as well. So yeah. Alright, so let's put all these things aside and get to the device. So here is the device itself. Let's just peel off this plastic. Nice. And there you have it, guys. This is Aura glow color. There are a couple of variants. There's Aura, not mistaken, there's Aura red and black. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So give you guys an overview look here. So we have nothing on this side, no buttons. On this side, however, we have the volume rockers and the Bixby / power key button. Bottom here we have no headphone jack, as I said earlier. Microphone, we have the looks like this is the Type C connector, Type C port. Speaker, S Pen. Over here we have oh, this is a SIM tray. This is the secondary mic, and this I think should be the speaker output. And I think on the back here should be the camera, flash, and that's it for the device. Alright, so here is my Galaxy Note 8, and I'm gonna give you guys a overall footprint comparison. So this one, so there's only one variant, by the way. So this is also 6.3 inches, but it has bezels. So I'll give you guys a closer look. So this is 6.3 inches without bezels. So take a look at the footprint. You can see there's some gap there. So pretty nice. They shrunk it down, and it's the same screen size. So yeah, pretty interesting. Anyway, so this gives you an idea of the size. You can see it's pretty different, right? It's the same size, pretty nice. Anyway, that's all for the Note 8. Let's boot this guy up for the first time. Seriously interested. It's so light. I'm just pretty concerned if it drops. Alright, booting up this guy. Galaxy Note 10. And here's the welcome screen. Let me agree all these things. Wow. Right, so it says bring your old data for quicker setup. I'm gonna do that really quickly. Alright guys, so we have done setting up the device. I've already transferred all the data over, so now you can have a look at the device hands-on. So let's go to settings. Yeah, it's setting up a lot of things now. So we're gonna go to the about the device, and then go to the software information. You can see we're running on One UI version 1.5 and Android 9.0 Pie. This is the latest version of Android as of now. So this device definitely will get the Android Q update, we just don't know when. Right guys, so yeah, and this is the Galaxy Note 10. So the screen, actually, to be honest, even though it's a 1080p panel, it's actually quite sharp. I didn't expect to be, I thought it would be very blur or something, but actually it's not that bad. And speaking of Note, the main purpose you buy a Note is for the S Pen. So the S Pen has been redesigned and redefined. So we have, I think this one looks like the shutter button for camera. You can do like air gestures or something like that with this S Pen. I have to test it out. But other than that, this is the main purpose you buy a Note device. And that is pretty nice. Oh man, look at that fingerprint. So yeah, it is a fingerprint magnet, but I'm gonna get a case obviously to make sure it doesn't happen. So yeah guys, that is the initial unboxing of the Galaxy Note 10. What do you guys think? I'll do a full review on this device. So that's pretty much it guys, so stay tuned for more videos like this one. Peace out.